Hi traders, this is Taylor from thetradinganalyst.com, where you can enjoy all of the member-only features for free, like the live chat room, educational videos, real-time option and stock alerts, and much, much more with your very own 7-day free trial, where you're not only going to be making money from the alerts that we're giving you, but you also have the opportunity to learn while you earn in the classroom setting of the live chat room, where I'm in there all day focusing on trader education and making you a more consistent, profitable, and successful trader. It's a great opportunity, and I suggest you take advantage of it. All right, so let's get to this analysis on the GILD chart here. I'm going to draw a couple lines on here, support, resistance, trend lines, and we're just kind of going to go through this analysis together. Okay, so you can see my process, what I go through. Obviously, I go into much greater detail than this few-minute video, but this is just going to hopefully help you, analyze GILD as well as other stocks in the future. Okay, so let's get to it. So we've got a downtrend line here. I've been posting about this for a while now, and it remains valid. We've got this downtrend line from over here. It's been valid since June of 2015 this year. Okay, so we've got about 6 months or so that this trend line has been valid. Okay, so you don't want to fight that trend. All right. We've got we had a doji up here on Friday on very low volume, right at the trend line. Okay, when I saw that, I thought that was a great sign to get a doji right at that trend line. Beautiful. Okay, great sign if you like the stock short. Okay, and today we got great confirmation of this rejection at the trend line. We have a bearish engulfing candle, a very nice long red candle with heavy volume. Okay, more volume than the previous several weeks of trading right here. Okay, so that's exactly what you want to see if you are short the stock or planning to short the stock. Okay, now we've got some. Oh, and another thing I want to point out, we got rejected at that 108 resistance as well. As you can see here, it was the bottom of these candles. Okay, a lot of resistance in that 108 area. We topped out here at 108, again, and again at 108. This 108 level, very key for GILD right here in the near term. Okay, so the next support we have is just a little bit of support at 105. Okay, and that's going to be, see how it's kind of trading in this box right here. We've got from 108 to 105. This candle went to that 105 area. So if we can break below this 105 area, we're going to tag this 102 area, which has a little bit more support. Okay, it's definitely a more important level than that 105 level. So that 102 area is definitely some better support. As you can see, it bottomed out right there. Okay, and the highs of these candles, a lot of candles trading in that range as well. These candles as well, right around that 102 mark. Okay, we've also got two trend lines that you can draw right here. Okay, similar trend lines. We've got one right here. Okay, that's a valid trend line. Okay, that we are still above. Okay, but if you're looking at these two trend lines that we have here, this one and this one, which is the more important trend line that we have right here out of these two? That's right, it's this trend line. Why? Because it's lasted for several months longer. Okay, two reasons that make trend lines stronger. Okay, You have the amount of time that they've been valid, as well as the amount of touches. Both of those factors make a trend line stronger or weaker, okay? So not only do we have this trend line here, but we also have trend line starting from the same spot, but going at a slightly different angle here, and it's still valid, okay? So that trend line we are below. Now, if you see a trend line, you have to draw it, okay? Because if it's a valid trend line, you have to draw it, okay? So both of these trend lines are valid, okay? But since GILD is above one of them, okay, that means that we're really only going to be paying attention to this lower one, okay, the first one that I draw. So I'm just going to do away with that last one, okay, but it is valid. But this is still valid, so we're still above that trend line, okay? But again, I do think we're getting rejected here, as I've been pointing out for several weeks here, that once we reach this trend line, we're going to get rejected. And we're getting some nice confirmation with this bearish engulfing, doji, bearish engulfing with increased volume. We just need that 105 level to break, which would also be breaking this uptrend line. Okay, so we'd be breaking the support that we have at 105, as well as the trend line support at 105. Next level is 102. Short term, I'm targeting that 102 area. That 102 area breaks. We've got some support down at 96 is an area that I like for some support as well. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you learned a thing or two about technical analysis, and this will help you with your trading or investing. Again, you can join the tradinganalyst.com for free with your 7-day free trial. You're going to be making money from the alerts that we're giving you. You can also join us in the best live chat room on the web. We've got novice traders, intermediate traders, experienced traders, and everyone is helping each other out to navigate this complicated market. You can sign up tonight and start receiving alerts tomorrow. We'll see you over there.